Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to do the unboxings and a quick review about one of the budget smartphones available in the market. So here it is. Not sure you can see it clearly, but the focus. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi Note 11, and I will tell you some reasons why this smartphone should be your secondary smartphone to carry along with. Okay, so let's check it out.
This is Xiaomi Note 11. This is a new generation of the Note 11 released in February 2022. This new generation comes with a 6.43-inch screen with 84.5 screen-to-body ratio. Its screen's resolution comes with 409 ppi density with AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The screen brightness ranges from 700 to 1000 nits, which is really easy to use even when you stay under the direct sunlight. This smartphone comes with dual SIM card slots with a dedicated microSD slot, meaning that you can use up to 2 SIM cards with a microSD card at the same time. This device is powered by Snapdragon 680 4G running on Android 11 that is upgradable to Android 12 with MIUI 13. This gadget comes with 4 different cameras at the back. The main one, the 26mm, is 50 megapixels with f1.8. The second camera, the ultra-wide, is 8 megapixels with aperture 2.2. The third one, the macro lens, has 2 megapixels with f2.4. And the last one also comes with 2 megapixels with f2.4. It is used to create depth for making blurry background. The back cameras can be used to record the video up to 1080 at 30 frames per second, while the front-facing camera is 13 megapixels with aperture 2.4, and it can be used to record the video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The cameras aren't great, but they're usable for social media posts. Because this smartphone is a budget smartphone, so you can't expect the quality to be better than that. This smartphone comes with infrared port, which is one of my favorite because I can use it to remote my TV, projector, as well as my air conditioner. It also comes with USB Type-C port 2.0 with a battery of 5000 mAh. The Type-C port supports the fast charging capability up to 33 watts, which you can get a fully charged within 60 minutes. This Note 11 can also be used as a power bank. As you can see, I'm now using it to charge my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This phone comes with 2 different speakers, one on the top and the other one is on the bottom.
It's all aesthetic, but you can see the textures and layers along with these subtle metal accents.
This device comes with 4 different choices for you to choose from. The first one is 64GB of storage with 4GB of RAM. The second one is 128GB of storage with 4GB of RAM. The third one is 64GB of storage but with 6GB of RAM. And the last one is 128GB of storage with 6GB of RAM. And the price ranges from $180 to $210.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to do it now. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.